Hello and welcome to the 2-minute series. The topic for today is atmosphere. Now, atmosphere is an envelope of gases that largely surrounds the earth. These gases are what divided into concentric layers, and this is on the basis of the temperature and pressure of these gases at varying altitudes. So this is one question that can come, that on what basis is this division made? It is based on the difference in temperature as well as the pressures. Now coming to these layers, I will discuss these basics of these layers first. Now as you all know, I'm sure that the first layer is troposphere, the second layer is stratosphere, then it is mesosphere, then it is thermosphere, which is also known as the ionosphere, and lastly it is the exosphere. The troposphere is the layer where all the weather events are what take place. Clouds are what are there in this particular layer. This is to an extent of approximately 20 kilometers. Next is the layer stratosphere, which is extending approximately to 50 kilometers. This is another 30 kilometers from troposphere. Between troposphere and stratosphere is another layer, which is the tropopause. The stratosphere has the ozone layer. Next is mesosphere. Next is thermosphere or the ionosphere. This is one of the most important layers, primarily because it has ions, and it is through this particular layer that transmission of signals is what takes place. Now what is very important is the temperature variation amongst these layers. Now you should know that in troposphere, as you keep going up, temperature keeps falling. That is common because with the rise of altitude, temperature is what continuously falls. But in stratosphere, we see a sudden rise in temperature. Now temperature in stratosphere is rising because of the ozone layer, which has a tendency to absorb the UVB radiations, and this causes a heating impact in stratosphere. Next we go to mesosphere, and temperature again starts falling. This is primarily falling because of the altitude effect. Now in thermosphere, temperature is what suddenly rises again, and this suddenly rises because of the ions that are present, which absorb all the radiations that are coming from the space. So temperature in the thermosphere is very high. There is a constant temperature at troposphere as well as at stratopause, at tropopause as well as at stratopause. This is primarily because this is the zone of mixing of temperatures of two layers. So a zone is what is created where the temperature is what remains constant, and it is for this reason that the name of these layers is also tropopause and stratopause. So that's all about atmosphere and atmospheric layers. I thank you all for watching the video.